So I'm going to talk about CHIRON, which was a Innovate UK, or is an Innovate UK funded project, funded just over 2 years ago now, and is just in the last few stages of completing the engineering work. Thanks. The consortium that is delivering CHIRON is unique. It's led by Designability. I'm the Chief Executive of Designability. We're a design and development group, and our passion is to use user-centered design to transform the lives of people with health problems and disabilities. We have Three Sisters Care, who is a very innovative care provider based in the East End. We have 2 engineering partners, Bristol Robotics Laboratory, UK world leading, and Shadow Robotics, a commercial company based here in London. Smart Homes and Business Buildings Association, which is effectively a bridge between the commercial and consumer, and Telemetry Associates, who are managing the project. So the key to CHIRON is having this multidisciplinary team within the project. I'm not going to say too much about the economic context because Richard has already mentioned that, but it is apparent that the health and social care system is not coping at all at the moment with levels of demand, and we have an ageing population. I have the grey hair to prove it, and by 2030 we're even less going to be able to manage and fund people who need care. And robotics and autonomous systems are one potential way in which we might be able to mitigate some of the challenges that we're going to be facing around an ageing population.